Hey guys, I have been thinking of joining the unstable SMP, even though Parrot didn't ask me yet. I'm just thinking of this right now, and I want to show you my skills, so I won't get hit by the trap. Please, as for Parrot, please pay attention. I know the evildoer right now, but I'll prove to you. I know how to play. I know how to play. Oh. It seems easier. Okay. So far, so good. Now it takes me a little bit to spawn in, so this gives me time to position myself. Sorry about the whole mobile thing. Parrot. To let you know, I know how to make a tense dialogue. So if you need me to help you defeat the king, I will help. But the strategy that we need to beat the king is we need to befriend the nether dimension and the end dimension. Wait, what? No! I need to die now. That wasn't a good reaction time. Not fast enough. I need to die now. My spawn area. Right now I need to die again because I need to keep on trying until I master that. Okay. Now I can't walk. I need to like sprint immediately. So Parrot, I need you to do something. Please make the spawn safe now. I want to join. And I know parkour. I'm still practicing on mobile right now. At least I'm practicing. What? Why is it doing that? Okay, guys. Parrot, if you comment, I'm gonna say when I'll join. Okay, guys? So then you can come to save me, kill those guards, and deactivate the redstone. Please, for me.